Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So if you have a Galaxy S26 Ultra, so there is a new update available for it that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video we will check out that update and also we will talk about the One UI 9 release date for it. Starting off with the update, so for that simply go into the settings and you might get to see a pop-up like this over here, or if not then scroll down, then tap on software update, then tap on check for updates, and from here you will get to see this new 5th July 2026 update available. The update size is around 555 MBs and the last update that I got on this device was of June 5th 2026, so it is a security patch update available. First of all, you will have to download this update, and once the update is downloaded, it will verify the update and then you can install it on your device. So the update is downloaded and now you will get to see this option of restart now to complete the installation process. So now simply tap on restart now and the installation process will begin for the update. Your phone will restart during this installation process, and make sure to install it when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to make the calls during this installation process. Further, if we talk about the One UI 9 release date, so the One UI 9 is going to be released in July 22, and if we talk about the official rollout for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, so that is expected in the month of September 2026. On July 22nd, it will be pre-installed on the foldables that is Samsung releasing, that are the Z Fold 8 and the Z Flip 8. If your country is eligible for the beta update, so you can update it by going into the Samsung members app and scrolling down, you will get to see this beta program option, or you will get to see the option in the notices. From the Samsung members app, you can apply for the One UI 9 beta program, then you can update it from the software update. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So do check it out and let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your Galaxy S26 Ultra or not yet, and are you updating your phone on the beta program or not.